How to make money online as a professional. Welcome, guys, to the channel. I hope you are doing great today. So today you want to talk about how to make money as a professional. Maybe an accountant, maybe a lawyer, you may be a project manager, HR professional, whatever profession you are into, and you have your 9 to 5. That means you go to work Monday to Friday. How can you make money online as a professional? So that's what I want to deal with today. And I'm going to break it down so that you can get started. Now, I'm not asking you to quit your job. Please don't. Retain your job. But even without your job, you can also make extra money. And you can build something that may even prompt you to quit in years to come. Right? But right now, how do you go about doing it? There is only one thing I'm going to talk to you about. It's about using your knowledge and skill, what you already have. So I'm not asking you to do something new. I'm not asking you to go learn something. Even if you are going to go learn something, it's basically how to use that your skill and knowledge to put it together, right? That is where a skill like digital marketing may help. But it's possible you already have the knowledge I'm talking about of how to package it, but you have not just started. Now, so what you're supposed to do is to use your knowledge and skill. Now, you may say, Emmanuel, okay, I have this knowledge, I have this skill, but I don't even know what to do. I don't know how to get started. That's why I'm here. So, how do you use your knowledge and skill as a professional to make money online? So many persons are already doing it. So, it's not something new you want to do. People are already making millions, thousands of dollars. Some people have even made millions of dollars doing the same thing, right? It's about packaging your knowledge and skill. How do you go about doing this? There are several ways you can do this. Number one, you can package this knowledge and skill into a book, into an ebook that you can sell to millions of people all over the world. People are looking for how to solve their problems. You are already solving these problems even for your organization. This knowledge is inside of you. You can package it in form of a book, an ebook that you can sell and make lots of money. How to do this is not complicated. Sit down, come up with a title for the book, come up with the chapters, come up with the content, start writing, give yourself a deadline. Tell yourself in the next 3 months, I'm going to produce this book. The beautiful part is that the knowledge, you already have it, you know what to do. It's just the discipline to sit down and write. And that's why I say break it down first. First of all, come up with a title. What's the title of the book? Of course, the title can even be edited, but come up with something first. Remember, you are trying to get to an audience. You're trying to reach a people who are interested. So the title you're going to come up with will be something that people are interested in. So you may need to do some little research to find out, is there any kind of book like this existing? If there are, then there's a market for it. That means people are already buying it, so it exists, right? You can do interview. You can ask people around. If I write a book around this, will you buy? People will say yes. Or look at the people you're already solving their problems. Maybe as free of charge. Some of us are solving this problem free. They're not even paying you anything. But now I'm talking about you earning money. So once you discover what works, the market, because the market is important, because if you write a book that nobody will buy, I mean, are you going to eat the book? No. You need to write something that people are going to be interested in to pay you money. So research and be sure that the title of the book, yes, is something that people will be willing to buy. Then divide your book into chapters. Come up with the chapters. Break it down into chapters. Then after that, break down the content, the part of the chapters. Then sit down and start writing. If you sit down and do what I've just told you and give yourself target 31st of December, by January 1, your book will be out. Yes, your book will be ready for sale. And there are so many platforms you can use to sell your book. Amazon Kindle is there, Seller is there, and several other ones where you can sell your ebook and make yourself money and get alert every day. You sit down and do the work once, then the alert is continuous. So you die. In fact, you hand it over to your children. All right. So book is number one. Number two is online course. The knowledge sector is booming. Of course, it's always booming. I mean, knowledge is something that no matter your level, no matter what level you have attained, you still need knowledge. Even the biggest, the highest guru is still looking for knowledge. Somebody is still coaching, is still looking for somebody to, is still looking to elevate himself. So the knowledge sector is booming. So you need to tap from this $1 billion sector, $1 billion industry. Package your skill and your knowledge in form of an online course. I'm talking about recorded video now. You record your course, you put it on a platform. There are several platforms. Some of them are even free. You can get started for free, of course, as you can upgrade and have more features, right? But the thing is that it will not cost you something serious. The money you need to host it on this platform is not something serious. So, but to sit down and come up with this video course is something you have to do. If you don't do this, you are losing money. You are wasting time. And it's possible what your 9 to 5 is paying you is not enough. And you are struggling. And every day you wake up to go to work, you are angry. The way to solve it is to build something by the side. So create your online course, record your video, get a professional videographer to record, to capture what you have, package it very well, then put it on a platform. There are several platforms, like I said. There's Seller can do that. There's Udemy. There's Coursera. There are several. They just go online and look for platform. Say platform that where you can sell your knowledge. There's several of them. Udemy is one. It's free. You don't need to pay anything, right? Seller is one. You don't need to pay anything, and several other ones like that. So put your course online and start promoting it. Then use your social media handle as a place to offer free value, tips, so that people will get value from you, because people don't buy from strangers. That is where you build connection with your audience. So you keep giving them free tips, free knowledge. As you do that, they are getting to love you, are getting to connect with you. And when you now finally tell them, oh, I have a course, it's ready, why not? They will sign up and buy. So online course is one way to make money with your knowledge and skill. The next one is you can do even live webinars, right? You can do tutorials. Another thing you can do online. I've had students from the US, I've had students from the UK, I've had students from UAE, I've had students all over the country, right? Teach them one-on-one. People will pay you. There's several levels of students. There are some students that you teach in group. There are some students that are one-on-one. So when you teach them one-on-one, they pay more. So you can actually say, okay, how much do I need in a month? Maybe I need $1,000 or $2,000 or $3,000, as the case may be. Okay, if I create a program whereby I can, coach people one-on-one, people pay premium on that kind of service because they have you to themselves. They can ask any question. But of course, before they can pay you that money, they need to know you. They need to know you. They need to know you even have this knowledge. That is where your social media comes in. So your social media is the place where you give out the value. You show them what you know. You show them what you can do. That is where you keep dishing it out. Don't bother if nobody's even following you. But if you check the view, you see that several persons are viewing you, are viewing the video. Some people are seeing it. They will not take action now, but it's registering in their brain, in their subconscious. The day they need the service, they will look for you. They know when you know what you're talking about. So use your social media to communicate your value. LinkedIn is there, Instagram is there, Facebook is there, X is there, and several other platforms. Use those platforms to communicate your value. Then when your course is ready, share it with your community. People will pay you to learn from you. Then finally, consultation. People will pay you to consult you, to find out how to solve a particular problem that you already know, and make lots of money from consultation. People pay to come and ask me questions and find out how to go about what they are confused about, as far as it has to do with digital marketing, online business, business strategies, sales and marketing. All these are my area, and people consult me to be able to know how to do it. They pay. So this is the way you can package your knowledge and skill. If you do that, you're going to earn yourself lots of money. All right? So if you have knowledge and skill as a professional, there's no reason why you should say, oh, my job is not paying me enough. What do I do? You're an accountant. You're an investment banker. You are a project manager, you are a HR professional, you are a lawyer, you are a doctor. This online can make you loads of money. The only challenge is that you have not started. You are overwhelmed and you are saying, how do I start? Where do I start from? I've shown you what to do. The first thing is set up your social media handle professionally. If you don't know how to do it, learn how to do it. There's nothing, virtually nothing on earth that you cannot learn how to do. If you go to YouTube, there are several free knowledge. And if that is overwhelming for you, you can pay for a course and learn how to do it. So, because without knowledge, you're going to make a lot of mistakes. So, the first thing is learn how to do it. Optimize your social media profile. Choose one or two platforms. You can choose YouTube and Instagram and start with it. You can choose Facebook and Instagram and start with it. Choose two platforms, start with it, and start sharing value. Start sharing value around your knowledge area. That is how you build the community. That's how you build connection with people. Once you consistently do this, remember, consistently, not something you do one day and the next time you're going to do it is in 13 days. No, it has to be daily. Okay, you may say, Manuel, daily is overwhelming. I'm just starting out. Okay, start weekly, once every week. Then after 1 month, switch to 2 times a week. After another month, switch to 3 times a week. Then after some time, you must have gathered enough strength, enough energy to be able to do it daily. People love to see you show up every day. Very, very important. Why do you go on your social media to start scrolling? Because you want somebody to show up. You're looking for content, fresh content. That is how you're going to get this thing done. With that, you build yourself a community, and this community will be willing to pay you when you have something to sell. Remember, to make money online, you must sell something. There must be a value that's going out of you that will attract the money you are looking for. If you do that, if you do everything I've told you, in no time, you're going to be happy and you'll come back to share your testimony with me. I hope you have found value in the video. If you have, of course, remember to like and share the video. Of course, if you are not subscribed to the channel, well, you're missing a lot. I'll see you again in another exciting video.